Found your uncle?
My uncle.
Oh, yeah. We'll cut her.
Those are the accent girls, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you want only accent girls? So we are being approached by a stranger.
I guess this is how the story goes.
Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today it's a Saturday and it's 8 a.m. and I'm in the middle of Bangalore trying to locate my friends to try out this iconic place in Bangalore for dosa. And so far I'm having a tough time locating my friends. So I'm just walking around, running around, trying to figure out where these folks are. Finally, after quite an effort to locate my friends, I've located them now. Here they are. Hey folks.
Hello folks.
Hi. And then, yeah. How's the Josh? How's the energy?
Hi sir.
Good.
Hey.
What is this guy?
Bloopers.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel.
Subscribe. Whatever.
And somebody accepted me. They took my phone and all. I just wanted to but we don't have
So we are being approached by a stranger who is demanding cash so that he can look neat, which is very weird. He doesn't need food, he doesn't need anything else. He just needs money to buy some t-shirt apparently. You want to look clean. Bro, I don't buy that story, bro. Seriously. Tell you what, he's on his morning jog, okay? He just saw us vlogging and he thought we are some tourists. We don't know we are local Malleshwaram boys.
You come to Malleshwaram area, I'll pop you with my gang. I said you once and I'm sending you once more time, Rasu.
And in our defense, he did look neat. Spy from Malleshwaram. Dhurandhar. Hey, any of you got a chance to watch Dhurandhar yet?
Sunday.
When I'm going on Sunday.
Narendra is going to watch with his girlfriend.
So we'll be revealing where we are going in a bit. Stay tuned. Chandan, you've been very silent so far. What's happening? Still haven't woken up yet?
waiting for the dosa. Narendra's dosa. Just to have it and cut
Yeah.
it because
Imagine
I
if
have a
one day
movie to
dosa
watch.
due to
Dhurandhar.
LPG shortage.
He's going to
Today?
Yes.
Oh,
sir.
what time?
Not a day.
Not a date, unfortunately.
Four of us on leave. What is your situation? We called and told you majestically dineta. Then what we thought simply we are.
So a new member of our gang is making a debut on our vlog today. So this is where you're at, CTR, Malleshwaram, and so you've been here before, Narendra? First time? Yeah, coming.
I live near Indranagar side, right?
Crowded and has a queue. Finally found the table, guys. So guys, this is Aditi. She's officially making a debut on our vlog.
He does it?
Yeah.
Please first
No, usually it's simple, but for special people we do this special introduction.
Hi.
Yeah.
Special.
हम तो छोटे लोग हैं.
We go to Veena stores after this.
Oh yes.
What is it?
Very good case.
So that's another iconic place in Bangalore. There, this thing is good. Idli vada is good, I think. There. Veena stores.
Tasty, but you missed the road and you came like that.
No. We were just looking at Malleshwaram. It's so beautiful. No?
You come to Malleshwaram area, I'll pop you with my gang.
ಇನ್ನೇನೇನಿದೆ?
ತುಪ್ಪ ದೋಸೆ ಮಸಾಲ ದೋಸೆ ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ದೋಸೆ ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ದೋಸೆ ರವಾ ಮಸಾಲ ದೋಸೆ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಸಾಂಬಾರ್ ವಡಾ ಸಾಂಬಾರ್ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ವಡಾ ದಹಿ ವಡಾ ಬನ್ಸ್
ಕೇಸರಿ ಬಾತ್ ಇದೆ ಉಪ್ಪಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ವಡೆ
One ಕೇಸರಿ ಬಾತ್. Share
No, I'll take
ಉಪ್ಪಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ತಿನ್ನೋಣ. ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಉಪ್ಪಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ವಡೆ ಬೇಕಾ?
Ask Ramesh.
Why are you filming me like that?
Okay, happy.
So yeah, tell me about your experience in CTR. Like, how often are you here? I know you're a local. It's the first time you came here.
I don't remember the first time. I've come here very often, but mostly in the evening time. Bangalore Bonda is very famous here. Saikala bandre.
Okay.
Belage hot ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. So
Oh, interesting.
So Malleshwaram is known for breakfast eateries everywhere.
Interesting.
So Yeah.
I've been to so far Raghavendra.
Oh, Raghavendra is good.
I've been there. I've
It's
been
a small hub.
Yeah.
It's near north.
Yes, you have to stand and they have a separate chutney corner also.
Actually,
And there's Veena stores and Janta Bazaar. Canteen.
Janta
Garage.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hotel.
So they have like the best sambar.
Yeah, vade dip.
I've tried. Yeah.
Adu ashtane. So we used to come here a lot because my grandparents used to stay here in Malleshwaram.
Interesting.
So I used to come with them and then always eat in Janta and then eat cross-sell shopping.
Right.
All of this is like core childhood memories for me.
Great, great. Chandan, what about you, man?
I think this is my third or fourth time coming here, but always a good experience coming to Malaysia. But I've just tried CTR, so I'll have to try other things.
Again.
Oh yeah, there's Bangalore Cafe now. A big one.
I've been in the OG Bangalore campus.
It's nice. Even
Starters are here.
Google that vada, bro.
Zoom in, okay? Go into the sambar.
Saman.
Sambar, bro.
guys.
Finish this off.
Yeah, finish.
The dosa is here.
Narendra's dosa.
Amazing, must try. So how do you rate it, all of you?
4.5 out of 5.
Some weird system, but yeah, 10 out of 10.
10 on 10. What about you?
I'm busy eating.
You? Busy with the starters still? So now that you're done with your dosa, how much do you rate it?
I'm still eating. Okay, probably 7 or 10. What do you rate it?
I rate it, it was off today. It was not the usual CTR dosa that I've been trying so far. I would say 6 out of 10, sadly. It's always 9. After one breakfast, we are headed to the next. We are going to, what is this place called? Veena Stores. And I have Narendra with me, who's gonna have another set of breakfast. He's gonna give me good company, right?
Yes.
Because you hardly had anything because it was too much salt apparently.
Yeah.
Unfortunately. Yeah, so it's about a 10-minute walk from CTR. We are heading there as a gang, as a unit. There's a car, bro.
No, not like that. This don't check. He's recording this. You want a girl?
Those are the accent girls, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you want only accent girls?
No, I don't like them.
He's into accents.
But the problem is she's beautiful, that's what I'm
Who is beautiful?
the accent girl.
So it's basically the gang from CTR that we came across, which Chandan has taken a liking for.
From here.
Oh.
That's a crazy one.
Bro, come. We'll take a U-turn.
Okay, we came to Veena Store, we'll go back.
Yeah,
we just
we
came
wanted
to
to come
see.
here. We came to see.
I guess we'll head out.
Head out.
Sort of, I guess.
We can order here.
Yeah, same. We had this in our college as well. Our college canteen. Yeah.
Oh yeah, yes, that's fine.
I'll take a single idli vada. Single idli vada. Yeah. I don't want separate as in what?
I felt bad. That's why first only I would go. We'll cut early. Yeah. We cut everything there.
They cut the whole plan.
That's why I thought we'll go after, what is that? From tea.
That's what we are telling. Let's cut early.
Yeah.
When they tell that early, we have to
The plan only
understand
got
that the
cut.
plan has got cut.
Oh,
Good. Neene tinmachu.
Food.
nice. Yes, sir. Thank you, boss. Got this first bite. What is this? An idea. You have a problem if I hold this?
Hold it, your vada, no?
My vada. Easiest way to eat.
Okay.
Vada is good. I know.
Sambar is different, but
How was Venus Tours, Chandan?
it was good, but the problem was we were already full by CTR.
Yeah. Aditi, how was Venus Tours? Enough said. So now we are headed out for coffee. Any other breakfast place you guys want to try out?
Not today, some other day.
Some other day.
Yeah.
Go have my.
You have, I have your what?
Every Saturday, my mom makes dosa and.
Narendra's dosa.
Bro, it's okay, no? I get it. But invite us.
Yeah, come.
You'd like to
next
try.
week you come, no?
Everyone.
Every Saturday.
You're saying come, but you're not saying the address.
Yeah, actually,
Oh, like that you're telling. Okay.
that time inviting us.
Yeah, it's called an empty
Hey,
invitation.
hey, hey. I'll send leave. Don't worry.
What?
Narendra's dosa.
Narendra's dosa.
RSVP.
Wanna try uncle?
Found your uncle?
My uncle.
Oh, yeah. We'll try. Come, we'll go try the uncle.
My mom is also in Bangalore.
Why she's putting this to you? Like she wrote to us, but she sent it to you. Decent.
We didn't like that.
Decent.
If you want stronger, then do it.
Yeah.
But if you buy it like medium or large, they'll give it like that Starbucks caramel cup ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
Oh, this is like the smallest one, is it? Excuse me, ಇದೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Thank you. Better.
You want sugar, you can take. I think
No, sugar is fine.
ಕಮ್ಮಿ sugar ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ.
You found your uncle.
This
he's
is
not
not
there,
the
no?
actual uncle.
She didn't find her right uncle yet.
Yeah.
Whoever is watching this will know.
She's doing a taste test.
Of what? So after an amazing breakfast at two different places and a coffee,
I'm
now
not even seen.
you are seeing.
Okay.
Yeah. So we are dispersing, unfortunately. And yeah, thank you all for joining us today for this breakfast run and an amazing coffee with the best company. And yeah,
See you soon.
see you guys soon. Stay tuned.
So like, subscribe and whatever.
Yeah, from a new
Whatever. Whatever.
from a new day. You have anything to say to the vlog?
All the best.
See you. Bye.
Bye.
जाके कहीं मर जा.
So now